Chris. What do you think about your new windows?
We're very pleased, actually. It was something we only decided to do a month ago, and we were having a lot of troubles with neighbors and the backpackers next door. We phoned a couple of different companies, and Windows Factory were by far the easiest to deal with and speak to. The team, led by Anton, was here. He quoted. We knew exactly what we're in for. And in fact, we even included the blinds because they're so nicely integrated. But we're so happy with the result now. And my wife even slept here last night to check it out, and it is completely silent. We're so happy. Thank you.
So was a noise a huge issue for you?
If the noise was to continue, we would have to sell the property. We couldn't continue on because we were getting so many issues with tenants. So it wasn't an option. It was either get the windows sorted or we sell the property. And I didn't want to sell it. So this has kind of rescued us in a way. So we're very happy with the result. And we should have done it 5, 10 years ago.